Look at his new way of wearing his harness. I did not get that right at all. I didn't get it right. It was dark. I didn't turn the light on. I was in a hurry. I was wanting to get outside before the rain because it's closed and it's supposed to rain all day. And I thought, oh, we'd come out for a little walkie. Isn't that right, Miracle? He says, I can still walk like this. Let's see where he wants to take me. Where does he want to go to today? Okay, that's a good place. Is the black kitty nearby? I know a doe was out there at the shed earlier. Want to go to the woods? Woods? Come on. Yeah, he did a little bird watching. Sit in the wheelbarrow, sit in the chair. Then he got down. It's time to do sniffing. He has a routine. Should we get to the woods and go home before it starts, Miracle? Huh? You want to go home? Is that where you're taking me? Yes, he's taking me to the woods. That's where we're going. This is the way to go home. Of course, we could have went straight across the field, but we wouldn't get our little trip into the woods. We could smell so many good scents. Oh, I heard a woodpecker. I see back out there's the field, and then on the other side is the big patch of woods where we normally go. But then it goes all the way around here and then circles around. And there's trails through it all. In the middle of it all is the field. And then there's an open area that leads out here that's a grove of trees. And I have my 2 portable buildings sitting out there. So the property is mainly trees. Well, let's see what we're going on here. Scratchy time! Okay. This tree right here is massive. Huge, huge, huge pine tree. Anyway, looks like we're going home. The rain is near, isn't it, Miracle? All right. Thanks for watching, everyone.